Day YouTubers, we're back again on some plastering. Today's job, plastering the ceiling. It's the last bit of plastering to do in this house. A lot's happened. I've been very busy. I've been unable to do videos the last week, so that's why you haven't really seen something coming out. But I'm here today, Saturday, so I'm going to plaster the ceiling in this room, and also I'll take you through some of the works that I've done in this house as well, and let me know in the comment section what you think, and thanks for watching. Firstly, here's the ceiling in this room. The customer took the wallpaper off. The ceiling's in quite a bad state. You can see there was a massive leak at some point in the ceiling. So this is the first floor of the house. So there probably was a water tank or something up there at some time. And I've been up in the loft and there isn't a tank there, but it's no longer used. So it's probably leaked at some time and had a huge stain here. Also, there's another leak here. Apparently that's to do with the gutter, which has been sorted out. But yeah, it's really bad. So probably gonna have to seal this ceiling before they paint it once it's skimmed. But this is basically the ceiling. So we're gonna give it 2 coats of multi-finish, smooth it down. Got a big wardrobe in the way here, which is work around that. So I'll show you the rest of the house. So this used to be the entrance to a large bedroom, which I split into a bedroom and a bathroom. So put a wall here and another wall across here. So now we have a smaller bedroom in here, which you might have seen us skim in a previous video. The customer's just painting the room at the moment, so this one's come out quite nice. So customers just undercoated the room at the moment, so they're doing all the painting. The only painting we did was in the areas where we worked, like the bathroom. So I added a bathroom in here, completely new bathroom. I'll take you through it. So obviously we've got a shower here. Let's turn the light on. So we've got a shower here, a towel radiator, a toilet, a bidet, and a sink here. And we also added a window in the roof here and some spotlights as well. These are all IP rated for showers. So that's that. Obviously you can see here, shower door, there's a shower inside there. Just a few little touches up to do, a little bit of silicone and things like that to do, and it'll be finished in here. A bit of tiling around here, and that's the sink here. So that's this one. Downstairs, again, you might have seen a video where we did all the flooring downstairs in this place, and we also skimmed it as well. Customer is undercoating as well. We built some little kind of cabinets there as well for them. So in here now, the kitchen, we did the flooring all throughout here as well. In the kitchen, again, we have a video of us skimming this kitchen. It's painted now, except for that little bit we've got to sort out under there. All the cabinets are in, cooker, washing machine, sink, all tiled, etc. And then moving down here, there's another bathroom, the original bathroom of the house, which we also did. Let's see it here, toilet, sink. It was skimmed, new ceiling, light, shower here as well, and a bath, and a new radiator here as well. So this is the work that we've done. Back in here, so as I said, today's job is to skim the ceiling, and I'm about to start that now. So I'm gonna get this first coat of PVA on the ceiling, and then get myself ready. So hang on, and please like and subscribe for more videos, and let us know what you think in the comment section of the house and what we managed to do. Thanks for watching. So the ceilings had 2 coats of PVA and about to start the first coat of multi-finish. So let's go. Job done. So ceiling is done. Losing a lot of light here now, so it may be hard to see on camera. But yeah, all nice and smooth. Ready for paint. So guys, job done. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked the video, and subscribe for you to see more videos coming up like this. We've got some interesting videos coming next week, so make sure you guys click the bell so you can get notified of the new job that we're going to be starting next week. So thanks for watching again, and hope you guys have a blessed weekend.